So after today's movement, I've come up with a couple different conclusions involving what I think the market's going to be doing in the coming days. So first, I thought that this level from June 25th until the 28th, I thought that was a single correction, and that would be the end of the entire correction. But I think after especially today's movement, I think that I'm wrong. So you see, if we take a look right here, we're starting to see that this is actually developing into a symmetrical triangle formation. So you can see right here, it's tight, it's pretty much bouncing between the lines here, and it's gone, let's see, one wave, two waves, and then it's on the third upswing right now, the third swing within the pattern. Okay, so we're going to call that 2, wave 2, and after 2, we expect a corrective movement to end and then go down into 3, which will bring us down. Okay, so when's this actually going to happen? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw arc pivots, which I like using a lot. I'm going to go from the very top here to the very bottom, and I'm going to delete a couple of these levels, and I'm going to put in a few more. Okay, so I have these first, and it's showing that we're going to hit a resistance level at, let's see, I got like tomorrow morning. Actually, what's today's date? 28th, yeah. Tomorrow morning around the 1332 area. Then we're going to go down again, and then we're going to do one more time into the, let's see, 9:30 a.m. the end of July 3rd, beginning of July 3rd, end of July 2nd. So it's giving us another pivot right there. So I can do better than this. Let's actually go to a even more closer chart. So if I do this, I want you to notice that if I use this Fibonacci time series, it does a pretty good job at calling these market turns. So we have the one right here, it was off by about 30 minutes. This one off by about 20 minutes. This one off by about maybe 10 minutes. So it's really good for calling market turns. But where is the next one? The next one is sitting right here in this range here on July 3rd. So we're hitting a pivot point, and we're also hitting an arc retracement right there. Okay, so they're a little bit off, but what you should take away from this is that it really looks like there's going to be something important happening between, let's see, July 2nd and July 3rd. I think it's going to be the end of the entire correction. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking right now. Look for end of July 2nd, beginning of July 3rd. Until then, I just think it's going to be this corrective, this sideways choppy junk that nobody likes. And just for fun, we'll actually do some price projections. You know that I think that the market's going to go down to about, if I zoom this guy out, I think that the market's going to go down to about this 1268 level by about July 16th. That would actually make sense with my thesis that I have out right now. So basically, I would just take the top to the bottom of this movement right here, and I would copy paste it from the very last movement, which I would expect to be about right here in the triangle. So it's giving us pretty close. I'm about, let's see, a 10-point range, but I need to actually copy it off this last point here. And sometimes the last wave in a triangle might go only halfway. So it all depends, but I really expect that that 1268 level to be realized by the third week of July. And that corresponds to a Dow Jones target of about 11,600. I think the exact target's 11,599. But pretty much lesson learned right here. It's a trader's market. It's going to be in a range for at least until like when's July 3rd? Yeah, until at least next Tuesday. So no need to trade it. Just be ready for an hour downswing. All right. Thank you for watching.